Girl Bella.
Hi babes, it's me, Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. If you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. For all those returning, welcome back. So this was supposed to be a December favorites, but I think I will move that out to next week because I got in my box from Beautylish, and so I wanted to do a trying on new makeup, also a little unboxing, see what I got. I opened it up, and so I haven't peeked inside, so we're gonna learn what I bought together since I did this last year. And I think I also got, if I'm not mistaken, a mystery bag from Wayne Goss. So a little excited to see what I got from the mystery bag. So here we go. I'm taking out the crunchy paper for all those AMSRs. Okay. I think the first thing that I picked up is the High Shine Gloss from Wayne Goss, and it is in the shade Petunia, which I don't think I have. Matter of fact, I'm almost positive I don't have it. It's a gloss. Oh, it's pretty. That's a pretty color. Petunia. Okay. We'll try that. Yeah, that's really pretty. Alright, the next thing that I got, this is the one that I wanted from Tom Ford. Now, remember last year I got one of the new holiday lip glosses that he released. This is the second one that I wanted. This was called In the Buff. And so it looks like so. Still has those glitters, those little micro glitters. You don't feel them at all, but they give off such a great shine. I have honeyed coral. Beautiful. I always get compliments when people see that lip gloss on camera. More Wayne Goss. This one is called Hazelnut. This is also a, this is a luxury cream lipstick in hazelnut. Okay. Well, I'm always some kind of nut on my foundations. Oh, this is a cute packaging also. Okay. As you can see, I didn't get a lot of Wayne Goss, but in the past, but wow, that is pretty. Here's a swatch of that. Oh, that is gorgeous. See that? Oh, now I don't know what I want to put on first. All these pretty lippies. Another thing from Wayne Goss. This is another High Shine Gloss, and it is in the shade Chrysanthemum. Now, Chrysanthemum, I believe I do have. Hope. So I'm going to put that to the side because I may put that in a future giveaway. Chrysanthemum. I'm almost positive I do have it. Alright, so now here are some more goodies that I got. Oh, they're wrapped up tight too. More AMSR. Love these sounds, right? Okay, here are the two minis from Natasha Denona. Now these I do definitely want to try out in a video. This is the mini Beva palette. I don't have the full Beva palette from Natasha Denona, so I figured I'd get this one and try it out. And if I need to, I can always get it because it's been around forever. And then this one was the Rose Cheek Duo. I thought this was so cute. So I'm going to try that on in a future video as well. And then I think this is all, the rest of them are all Wayne Goss. So let's see what else I got in this mystery bag. Oh, I got the Weightless Veil Blush Palette in Shocking and Pearl, which I think I have already. Where are my Wayne Goss things? Okay, well here are some of the palettes that I have. I have the blush palette in Vivid Azalea. I have the blush palette in Bright Poppy. And I also have the luxury eye palette in Imperial Topaz. So here is the Weightless Veil Blush Palette. What the hell? They take this thing down? Oh, it's hard to open with my hand. And then I feel like it's like, there we go. Oh, I do have this. I do have this. Oh, I'm mad about it. I have this. Where is it? I do have this. Yep. Duh. Shocking and Pearl, Vivid Azalea. I have this. So now I have two. Put this in a giveaway, but I just ripped the side of the box trying to open it up. So I'm going to keep it in here. I don't know if anybody would want something with the side of the box like torn a little bit. I wouldn't be offended by it, but some may. But I'll hold it off to the side. I do have that. Okay. And then, oh my God! Oh my God, did he do it? Oh no, this is the lip pencil. All right, so he gave me lip pencils. Oh, the eye kohl in Copper Flame, which I don't think I have. Let me check. What beautiful Wayne Goss. The Wayne Goss pencils, I have to say, I do love. And I did enjoy his blushes as well. So here are a few of his pencils that I have. I think I have 4 altogether, but for some reason, oh, here is the other one. That's a lip pencil. Okay. So I have a lip pencil and 3, but I want to say I have 4 because I don't know where the other one is. But I have, these are the ones that I have. I have the Wayne Goss lip pencil in Cinnamon. I have the Wayne Goss eye kohl pencil in Obsidian. I have the Wayne Goss eye kohl pencil in Blue Sapphire, which is one of my faves. And the eye kohl pencil in Rich Hazel. So there's another brown that I have that I can't find right now, but this one is an eye kohl pencil and the shade is Copper Flame, which I don't think I have. I'm pretty sure I don't have Copper Flame. Oh yeah, no, I don't have this. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. That's the color. I can definitely use that. Okay. That's going in the good pile. That's going in the good pile. And then I have the lip pencil. And what's this? This is Cinnamon. So this is definitely going into a giveaway. And then I have another lip pencil, and this one is in the shade Deep Nude. So definitely keeping this one. Deep Nude, let's see what that looks like. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's See how it goes on? Oh yeah, that's like the big sister to maybe the MAC. What is the MAC one? I think it's the big sister too. So I think this is like the lighter big sister to the chestnut, and also here it is, cork. That's the one I was looking for. So yeah, definitely the big sister to cork. Cork is the one at the bottom, and the new one by Wayne Goss called Deep Nude is at the very top. So definitely feel like that is the big sister. Let's see what else I got. I got Obsidian, so that is another potential giveaway. And then I received, let's see what this one is. Oh, I'm a little sad, and I've got a bunch of dupes. Copper Glow and Deep Taupe. Oh, this is the Radiant Boosting Face Palette. I did not get this. This is in Deep Copper. So let's see what this looks like. These boxes are so daffy. Like, I keep ripping the side of it because it's not letting me open it properly. So here is the Radiant Boosting Face Palette. It's a bronze and sculpt in Deep Copper. Has Copper Glow and Deep Taupe as the colors. And okay, this may work as a light kind of bronzing effect. We'll see. You know, me and Wayne Goss have a love-hate relationship. I love some of his products. I wish he had given me a brush. Like, that would have been really cool. But okay, you want to give me all of your face and lip products, that's fine. He gave me also the cream lipstick in Cocoa. I think I have one of his lipsticks. And here we go. Oh, that's a nice deep rich shade. So here's Cocoa. That's beautiful. That is really pretty. So yeah, we have a love-hate relationship because some of his products I feel like Imperial Topaz. Didn't I just say I have Imperial Topaz? I think that is the, yep. And that's the eye palette that he gave me. So I got another eye palette that really is one that I already have. So I'm a little miffed because, as I thought, a lot of them I already have, so it was an exercise in futility. But maybe I can take this and get another one. I don't know. We shall see. In any case, those are the things that I got from Beautylish. So let's quickly put on a face. I already have in my foundation, I have my skincare of course on, I have concealer on. So I think we're just gonna get started, and I'm going to try a few of the Wayne Goss stuff. Let's try his Bronze and Sculpt palette. So I'm gonna try this one first as a kind of blush. Okay, it picks up nicely. Okay, I like the way that went on. Let's try one of my synthetic brushes. I'm going to use that sculpting color. Carve out a little cheekbone action there. A little on the forehead. Since we're doing Wayne Goss, I might as well use some of the ones that I already have from him as well in this look. And I have Imperial Topaz. I haven't used it in a long time, so might as well jump on in and use it. This is what it looks like for those who are not familiar with his eye palette. I wish he had given me one of the other ones. That would have been really cool. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here first. He has them all numbered, so it's not like there are any color shade names or anything. So I'm just gonna throw this right into the crease. And this is gonna be a really quick one because I have to jump on a sorority call, hence my green today. We have chapter meeting and it just started, so I gotta hurry up. I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm gonna throw that using my ring finger right on the lid. Really quick and easy look. You can do this in 2 minutes. Takes no effort at all. Just blending it in with my ring finger. And let's try one of his new pencils, Copper Lane. That will be really pretty, I think, with the look. So we're going to throw that right into the waterline of the lower lash. And then we're going to deepen up the lower lash line using this color right here. And we're just going to deepen that up. Give it a little pop. Right, I don't have any mascara from Wayne Goss, so I'm gonna just go in with my old standby. First we have the MAC Giga Black Lash Mascara. Then I'm gonna use my Westman Atelier I Love You Mascara. Finally, for the lips, let's work with the Deep Nude Lip Liner by Wayne Goss. And let's follow that up with his lipstick. Let's try one of the lipsticks. I'm gonna try Cocoa. It's a nice little deep shade. I love the lipstick. It's very creamy, lightweight, really, really nice. Don't forget, if you like what you see, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not connected with me, hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Until next time, you have now been Bellafied.